Senator Clinton, my son, Ashley Butler here, is a cancer patient at MD Anderson, and he's, as you can tell, cancer research is very important to him. And we in Texas have just taken the lead down here at the state level for cancer research. And so his question to you is, when you become the next president of the United States, will you take the lead in funding cancer research, the basic and molecular research that needs to be done at the federal level?
Yes, I will. Absolutely.
All right.
Thank you. Thank you, Madam President. Oh, thank you, thank you. You know, let me wish you well in your treatment, and let me also thank a great Texan, Lance Armstrong, for everything he's done to bring attention to what we need to do when it comes to cancer. And you know, what has been distressing is how, under President Bush, the budgets for the National Institutes of Health, which include the National Cancer Institute, have been either flat or slightly decreasing. When you look at all of the research applications that have been coming in, we're not funding at the rate we need to do exactly what you're talking about. And I think we are on the brink of so many breakthroughs with cancer and other diseases, and I want to put that on a fast track, and I'm going to start funding it again, so you will have a partner in the White House to try to find out exactly what it is that we should do.
You know, I keep this picture of Ashley with me is a reminder of what fight means. Because, of course, I've met Joe Fraser, Mohammed Ali, Ken Norton, all the champions of the world, Evander Holyfield. But it was the first time meeting someone who was truly a champion. I never heard him complain. I always had something to make me laugh, as though he carried a joke in his back pocket. And not the first time I met someone, when I said, "Hello, my good friend," he took it literally. And I realized that if you're going to say you're someone's a good friend, you should mean it literally every time you say those things. Because he turned and said, he says, "I'm his good friend." And I'll never forget that, but I've got a lot of things from Ashley, but never any discouragement. I know a lot of people come by church to get their spirits lifted, but he would always come by church and leave us with our spirits lifted. I'll always miss him, but I'm proud to say that Ashley was my good friend. And as one fighter to another, those who know him, you should understand the fighting spirit. I got up every time I was knocked down in the ring, and I never saw Ashley not getting up, brushing off his pants, and going another round with life.
Brett and I had been trying to find some other alternatives, and Rhett had found this clinical trial on the NCI database. The clinical trial was in Israel, and the lead investigator was a doctor named Shimon Slavin.
Hey, Dr. Slavin, how are you doing? We're glad to be here. And we appreciate so much everything you did for Ashley.
Good to see you. Sad memories, but I'm happy to see you.
Yes.
Hi, how are you?
Thank you for having us.